There you go, sprint. Yes, 1, 2, kick up. Kick up.
There you go.
Throw your leg.
Nice.
Hurdle. Get off it. Go. Run, yeah, run. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sprint now, sprint. Move your hands. Move your hands.
Come on, Veronica. You got it.
Sprint the beam. Sprint the beam. Sprint the beam. She didn't clear that.
No.
Goes. Dance with it. Hold it up. Move your feet faster. 1. Up high.
Yeah, she's got a potential. It's crazy. Yeah.
Go. Touch it. Go. Go. Run. I need help down here.
Come on, keep going. Accelerate, accelerate. Good. Don't forget to touch the ground. Touch the ground. Speed up. Touch the ground. Top roll over. Go, girl. Go, go, go. Sprint out.
105. Wow. Plus one. Good job.
107?
107, 64.
Gosh, sucks the life out of me. That damn net. Still going?
Good job, Veronica.
God damn it.
Ever felt anything like that before?
Yes, I have.
You have?
Yeah. Riding horses.
Oh,
you know.
jeez.
God.